Hi everybody. Pani. Okay. Thank you for the amazing response on the Instagram post. But I'm here. अरे यार, if I get so many बिल्लू तू पहले ही पहुंच गया. Okay, I have to send a request to Kitu. कबीर कैसा है मेरी जान? हाय जैसो चाय पिला दो. चल भाई उल्लू दा पट्ठा. वन सेकेंड, आई हैव टू सेंड अ रिक्वेस्ट. और मुझे ना रिक्वेस्ट भेजनी नहीं आती. रुको. ये क्या हो रहा है? How do I wait? I gotta share this. Oh, you have to share it and active now. Send successfully. एक सेकेंड. सबको अगर इसमें लाइव में घुसना है तो मैं किट्टू कहाँ से लाऊं? हाँ शरद समझ गया. थैंक यू शरद. मैं जेसू इज लाइक हिला देना इंस्टाग्राम आज. बहुत सारी डेथ थ्रेट्स आई थी. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू डू दिस. आई एम जोकिंग मैन. ओके सो आई हैव टू फिगर आउट नारियल पानी. हाँ नारियल पानी भाई. वेट. Shit, I'm so bad at this. दिल पे दीवानगी छा गई इस कदर, बंद आँखों पे भी मुझको आए नजर. Okay, so Kittu is here and she's saying add me. वो ऐड कैसे करते हैं? अरे कहा था गरीब से मत करवाओ ये. Go live with. Okay, got it. Go live with. वो सबने रिक्वेस्ट मिल गया. I've sent her a request. Billy, shut up. Hi.
हाय.
तू कहाँ पर क्वारंटीन कर रही है?
ये मेरी छत है. दिस इज माय छत टाइम. आई कम टू द टेरेस.
वड्डे लोग.
या शट अप. यू आर आल्सो सिटिंग आउटसाइड. आई कैन सी. आई कैन सी योर बैल्कनी.
और नहीं, एक ही जगह मेरे पास इतनी सी है. वो मैं अलग अलग एंगल से दिखाते रहता हूँ बस.
ओह प्लीज.
Oh please.
हाय, हाउ हैव यू बीन?
देखो डेथ थ्रेट्स मिले.
नहीं.
और
I
फोटो
have
में
no
गुज्जू
idea.
थी.
I
मेरे को
woke
समझ नहीं
up
आया
and I
गुज्जू का
saw
क्या
your
करूं.
tweet. Huh?
I know because I even when I was tweeting I was like ये
Yeah.
बताना तो पड़ेगा. But then I said I thought that yeah, me and Kitu had decided that we'll do it at 6, but I don't know if she knows. So मैं tweet कर देता हूँ. And then I was like, after an hour, you haven't done any retweet or anything. I'm like, ये उठी हुई है,
Yeah.
नहीं उठी हुई है, जिंदा है,
Yeah.
कहाँ है? That's yeah.
No, I saw your message. I woke up and I saw your message and I thought I was just waking up. I was like, अच्छा really are we doing it today? Let's see. It was raining outside. अभी बारिश रुकी है तो मैं ऊपर आई हूँ because there is a bit of a. I mean, you may not be able to hear or see me properly in a bit because my Wi-Fi sucks.
कोई नहीं.
So this
अभी
is a
बिल्कुल
spot
clear
where I
है.
usually get network.
Let's just pray that it all stays.
But Lindsay, I'm so impressed. You were live at 6 p.m. sharp.
Sharp. मैंने अलार्म
शूट
लगाया.
पे भी नहीं जाता कभी.
मैंने शर्ट प्रेस की है यार.
Wow.
अर्जुन के कमरे में गया. उसके पास प्रेस है तो मैं अर्जुन के कमरे में. अर्जुन आई नीड योर प्रेस आयन. पहले तो उसको समझ नहीं आया प्रेस क्या होती है. मैं कहा आयन वो ग्रेस आयन.
Of course.
Then he's looking at me like, are you gonna iron your shirt? I was like, हाँ यार मतलब. And then he's like, when was the last time you ironed your shirt? I was like,
But why
shut
did
up.
you iron your shirt? It's okay. Nobody's judging you here.
No,
Why are you
people
wearing
are
the
judging.
shirt?
Oh, I'm actually,
I'm
at
very
least I'm wearing a
underdressed
shirt.
for this.
Where in India are you exactly? Where are you?
I'm in MP. I am at my parents' house.
Ah,
I got here before the lockdown, a few days before the lockdown. So मैं
oh,
यहाँ
nice.
हूँ. I'm living the village life.
I mean, I'm sure you're safe, man.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
यहाँ
No
पे
things
बड़ा.
are. This is supposed to be a green zone, but I mean, but it's a small place. There are hardly any people, so we're anyway always just inside. So
Nice.
पता नहीं चलता.
Give my love to uncle, auntie, everybody. Is
Yes,
Rahul
I
also
will.
there?
How are? No, how are your parents? Where are they?
They're good. They're in the States. They're on a lake
Huh.
house, very secluded. And my mom is like losing her mind. She's like, I can't handle this guy.
Yeah.
So there are crocodiles around on the property. There are like lots of beautiful things.
Oh
Yeah.
wow. Oh wow. No, so they're there just for now? मतलब for how long?
No, no.
Or
So my dad, मतलब dad वहीं पे थे, and then
hmm.
the lockdown happened. So he's gonna be there.
Hmm. But things are okay around them because the
Yeah, yeah.
US, the news is scary. Yeah.
It's quite scary,
Yeah.
but as I said, they're far off in some lake place, and
Hmm.
they're all isolated, as isolated that as possible.
Good. Good. That's a good life. Good.
और दस कितना चल रही है जिंदगी?
बस यार. Same old. What are people saying? Oh my god, there are a lot of people here. Hi guys. I have
Oh
never seen so many
shit! I
people
didn't
on a
realize
live.
there are over 6,000 people. सत श्री अकाल जी, सत श्री अकाल. किਵੇਂ सारे ठीक ठाक हो जी? है जी?
I didn't want to be late, so I came online at 6 o'clock. Even I was trying to figure this out. ये मेरे से मतलब you're to killing TikTok also these days. I suck at TikTok. I suck. It's so bad.
मेरे
Yeah.
TikTok.
So even this Instagram live and adding people and all is very difficult for me.
Yeah,
I'm
I
still
just
figuring
people had to
these
tell me.
things.
People who were live had to tell me how to Sharad had to explain it to me quickly. But वो
Yeah.
सीख जाते हैं यार, इसमें क्या है? केड़ी rocket science है? Science.
नहीं मुझसे नहीं होना. I had to send a video for a friend's birthday, shoot it on TikTok and send it. It's the most pathetic video ever. I don't even know how to do anything on that
देखो
platform. I
देखो
suck.
अभी जहाँ पर हम हैं, हम TikTok स्टार तो बनवा दिए, ठीक है? तो जो भी कर रहे हो ठीक है.
नहीं यार, it's a lot of मेहनत. I saw some boys like walking in like slow motion and doing that thing. I think it's amazing.
Dude, I saw
मैं
some
बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकती.
transition TikToks where these kids are like, in 20-second video, they're like changing 1,000 times, and I was like,
Yeah,
it's
that is
crazy.
so much मेहनत.
Yeah. मैं पता कौन से TikToks करता हूँ जो एक बार में हो जाते हैं.
देखिए मैंने.
ओके.
देखिए.
मैं भी कभी कोई ट्रेंड हो जाता हूँ, कभी कभी.
Very nice, huh? Very nice. Also, you have a great TikTok partner with you. What is
Oh,
Arjun doing?
बेचारा, he doesn't have an option. I'm like, Arjun, you have to do this. He's like, okay.
I thought he's teaching you.
Oh no.
No, I thought he's like the pro and he's teaching you.
No. He's not the TikTok kind. He's like अपने लैपटॉप पे बैठ के म्यूजिक बनाने वाला टाइप काइंड है.
Oh my god, I know. I
KK
told you
Square.
how he made.
KK
Oh yeah,
Square.
of course. Oh, that's what we should have called this.
You can't call like, oh, you can actually.
You can.
Yeah, you can.
I think or not. I don't know.
I want KMH season 3. Okay.
मुझे पता था. मैं बोलने वाली थी कि please guys.
अभी तो बोल ले,
Now
एक disclaimer दे दे यार. 10 minutes into the
We're now going to
chat,
be
give a.
shooting in a post-COVID world. I don't even know how we're going to be shooting, when we're going to be shooting. So let's just enjoy the repeat telecast of KMH, guys.
मेरी जिंदगी एक रिपीट टेलीकास्ट बन चुकी है. मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, चाय बनाता हूँ, टिकटॉक बनाता हूँ.
In what order? In that order?
सेम ऑर्डर. हाँ, अभी उठ के चाय बना के टिकटॉक, फिर उसके बाद मूवीज, शोज, स्लीप. आई मीन इट. आई एम एक्चुअली प्रीटी हैप्पी. ठीक है, अभी आदत पड़ गई है. आई डोंट नो हाउ व्हाट वाज गोना हैपन वंस द lockdown ends and I'm like, oh, I don't want to work anymore. But
yeah, I feel like everybody is now gotten a bit used to this lifestyle, but I'm just taking each day as it comes. Some days are quite
deep,
heavy.
deep, too deep.
No, seriously, that's the only way. You're also taking each TikTok as it comes. It's quite cool.
Well, there's nothing else to do. There's nothing. तू तो
have used
गाँव
every
में.
filter, every game. You're like, you have used it all. कुछ नहीं छोड़ा तुमने.
I mean, I try.
Yeah, I know, it's a good thing. In fact, a lot of times I see your stories and then I get to know that there's a new thing in the market. Oh, अच्छा ये है.
Usually I wait for them to pay me, but ठीक है.
Good. No, makes sense.
KK, I love this Jodi. ठीक है, thank you जी, thank you for. By the way, thank you everybody for all the love and the.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Thank you for being here. Yes, we got a lot of people, and there are so many of our friends. Iris is here. बीच में मेरे को दिख रहे हैं, but.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hi,
And then
Iris.
बिल्लू आया हुआ है.
Hi बिल्लू. बिल्लू का मैंने फोन काटा अभी थोड़ी देर पहले.
Story of his life.
Hmm.
All the love. Quite so much love. That's
Yeah.
really sweet of you guys. And अब बताओ क्या करना है?
What are you watching? What did you watch last?
This is a show on Amazon. It's an old show called Man in the High Castle. It's about an alternate world where the Nazis had won.
History.
Oh, yeah, and it's pretty cool. And there's this show on Netflix called Tiger King that I really liked. And yeah, that's about it. There's some shows that, you know, these crime shows that Arjun watches. जो मैं बीच-बीच में जाके देख लेता हूँ. There's have you seen Don't Fuck With My Cat? It is
No.
nice.
No.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
And where is Pooja Gaur?
She was messaging me. Pooja is
Akshita ने ना Facebook पे अपना नाम change
Pooja
किया.
is going live with another Pooja. Just now, I just got that notification.
अच्छा.
But it's like 6 p.m. is like the going live time. Everybody is going live at 6 p.m.
That's what we
The moment
discussed.
you open Insta, like 10 people live. Now, Akshu, I can't open your message because then I'm going to lose this live. So
I was on Facebook and there was some Akshita and I'm like, ये कौन है? Why am I friends with her? वो बाद में पता चला कि Akshita ने अपना नाम change कर लिया post में. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh really?
हाँ. करते हैं कृतिका शादी के बाद लोग.
No, that was for men करनी. But that is for your.
Saket sir is here. My favorite comedian.
Oh yeah, hi.
Hi sir.
No, I was surprised. Are you
Saket
still
sir
on
is
Facebook?
the one who cast me for. What?
Nothing. It was a joke.
नहीं बोल दे.
हाँ. No. What about Saket sir?
अरे I remember. एक second. तेरे ये बहुत comments आ रहे हैं.
I know. And we're not getting comments at the same time, I think. Because it's I think मेरा delayed ही है सब कुछ.
तेरा network का issue होगा. Love you too, Saket sir.
Yeah, I love you. I saw that. Hi, Kyle.
Favorite teenage show KMH. Oh, मैं भी teenager ही था भाई.
All of us.
Yeah, मैं आज भी teenager ही हूँ. Rizwan is here. Hi, buddy. What's up?
Oh yeah,
hi. And Kittu decided to ditch the show.
How? When? Which season have I ditched?
Long story, Kittu. Long story.
Oh, he's talking. Oh, I thought he's talking about KMH. That's what I'm going. Oh.
No, not KMH. KMH के time पे तो मतलब हम. So what are your evening plans?
This is my evening plan. I come to the chat or I go for a walk. And usually, अब आज बारिश हो गई है.
Show us around.
Badminton. I don't know if you'll be able to see.
Greenery दिखा दे यार.
Mangoes.
Yes.
ऐसे कैसे दिखाऊं? अभी यहाँ पे सब ना क्रॉप कट गई है और जल गई है. So
I know. Like, oh yeah, look at that. Look at how green that is.
Yeah. There are a lot of mango trees here. So basically,
I could see something. Yeah, I can see mangoes.
Yeah.
कि तू छाल मार के उतारने की कोशिश मत करना, ठीक है? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so there are like a lot of these.
Somebody saying Ashok Nagar.
Beautiful sky, that's true.
Amazing.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Damn nice. सही है यार, तू सही टाइम पे पहुंच गई वहाँ
The ground life.
सही टाइम पे पहुंच गई.
No, actually, Mama insisted कि हम आ जाएं. We were very scared, me and Rahul, because we were like, you know, we don't want to be the carriers or whatever. So we took a lot of precautions. In fact, even after we got here, we were not like sitting with them or eating with them or for some time. But ठीक है, मतलब हम mask, sanitizer वो सब करके हम आ गए थे. And Yeah. Then I think a few days after that was that Janta curfew, and then the whole
Oh, so
lockdown.
you've been there for a while, like
Yeah,
before
yeah,
everything
yeah.
started.
Yeah,
Because
almost
we
like
guys, we guys were
2
shooting for Dili
months.
To Hai, and that's when suddenly they just stopped shoot and all of that happened.
Hmm. I was supposed to go for a shoot. And ek din pehle, like it was all set. I had packed and everything. I got my hair colored, did my nails,
Oh my
everything.
gosh!
But the shoot got canned. I mean, it got postponed first. The crew was
Yeah.
already there in Rajasthan. They all had to come back.
Oh
And
shoot!
then we thought that, I mean, we were told that we could start shooting in a week or something, but it didn't really happen, obviously.
Yeah.
Then it escalated, and now.
Even I
तो
was
फिर कोई
shooting
काम नहीं
for
था.
something in Karnal, and suddenly everybody, the entire crew, everything had to come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a huge cost.
Exactly. So let's see. I don't know. I don't know when shoots will resume or anything like that. But TikTok ही
Shoots का
shoot
नाम है
करने.
resume. Shoots कब resume होंगे इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे अकेले में.
Okay. No, there are
Then
so many
people are
versions of
asking.
it, but actually, I think itna dynamic situation, everyday things change. It's very difficult to say.
Yeah, things are changing.
On paper, I'm
People
supposed to start shooting
KMH
from the 15th
is
of June also, but let's see.
15th of June is impossible.
Let's see.
अरे वो
Okay.
मिनी यूनिट्स यार मिनी यूनिट्स इतनी यूनिट्स में कैसे शूट होगा?
पता नहीं. Then things will have to be written and conceived also like that. I mean, if they have to be shot.
Yeah, but then that's
Yeah.
again how
Yeah.
do you like you have to reimagine everything, redo everything.
Exactly.
Like, and then you're like if you reimagine certain stuff that you thought कि यार ये मुझे ऐसे shoot करना है, and then suddenly it's like oh तो अभी ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. I mean, so many like imagine the DOPs who need like so many people and then suddenly they're like यही होगा तो lighting को कितना time लगेगा? मेरे को तो ये tension हो रही है.
Right. Yeah.
Anyway,
So guys,
people so
KMH3 is not possible, guys, because we can't do
KMH
barish.
KMH
We can't do
is
crowd
actually
scenes. We cannot do lift
हाँ.
scenes. It's not possible, guys.
It's not possible, man. And but KMH is on a channel called Dangal,
Yeah.
जो कि बहुत लोग पूछ रहे हैं. अच्छा बहुत सारे लोगों का रोजे का टाइम हो गया है.
Oh, okay.
तो and yeah, so it's
Okay.
on Dangal. I think 6-6:30 बजे आता है. मुझे पता नहीं है. मेरे को बता देना लोग.
हाँ, but I think जब भी रोज आता है तो then suddenly I start getting tweets and people are live tweeting the episode and everything. So I know that it's on and I know which episode comes. I mean, when I read those tweets, I get to know. Hi,
Yeah,
Yogita.
कहाँ है ये?
Who's more fun?
कहाँ है?
I just saw. Who's more fun on set? Did you say? Karan's more fun on set. Obviously, everybody knows that.
Because I'm a clown. I'm more like I'm more entertaining, but
Yeah, that's fun for other people.
yeah.
Very good. Or
So when are you coming on TikTok?
when they pay me.
ये बात मैं करूँ बात?
Nah, I'm not interested right now. But we'll
knew.
see. It's
तूने
not
आने
about
वाली.
when, it's about how much. Also.
तूने आने वाली.
No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I can't handle another platform. Seriously, I cannot.
I know how it. I've like made fun of it. I've stayed away from it, shied away from it. But then, Bhangra in between scenes is always. Bhangra कब की मैंने in between scenes. Anyway, so but I'm telling you the kind of reach and the kind of.
Of course, no.
It
Yeah,
is.
I agree.
It's definitely gonna be the future.
I know. I've been
कौन से
told
shows
even by
देखेंगे?
like marketing people. I'm also watching an alternate. I just finished alternate history kind of a thing. It's called The Plot Against America on Hotstar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just finished that. It's lengthy. It's quite like the long episodes. It's got its own pace, but it's interesting.
Yeah. Then you would really like The Man in the High Castle.
Yeah, I know about that show. I haven't seen it, but उसके कुछ 4-5 seasons है ना.
उसके 4 seasons हैं.
while.
1 घंटे का episode है.
Yeah.
10, but it's really interesting because it's amazing to see how things would have been different, and it's kind of उसमें ना थोड़ा सा वो stark value भी है. Suddenly you're seeing Nazis everywhere, and what would have happened if the bomb was not hit, you know, I mean, thrown there, but
Hmm.
yeah, it's kind of cool. And
Interesting.
yeah, it's quite interesting.
So I watched like one hectic show and then one really like light show.
I
Or
do this.
some
I have a
or
hectic
some
day
show
and then I
that
have
makes me
a
cry,
TikTok day.
basically.
Yeah.
अच्छा, okay, nice.
सिंपल आज स्ट्रेस नहीं लेने का, आज 3-4 टिकटॉक बना देगा और
TikTok
छोड़
बना
दे
दो.
छोड़ दो.
No, but TikTok is, I have a lot of respect for people who are doing it so well.
Thank you. अच्छा, for
It
people
takes
who are doing it
talent.
well. अच्छा ठीक है.
You're learning the ropes. I can see.
मैं तो फटे चक देने टिकटॉक दे. We only want to hear about KMH. Hi, Yogita.
Oh, sorry. What about
Sorry.
KMH? What has not been said?
Yeah, man. I mean, बहुत टाइम हो गया. पूजा अपने लाइफ पे है यार.
पूजा अपने लाइफ पे है.
पूजा मेरे को लगता है नाराज हो गई क्योंकि फोटो में थी पर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं क्या करूं. तुम्हारे लिख दिया कि कमेंट्स में आ जाएगी.
I thought you had spoken to her and that was the plan.
Oh no, that was my sense of humor.
Oh, okay.
Mukesh bhai is also here.
Mukesh is here. He says me. What me?
What?
No, I don't know. He just said me.
Hello, Paji Sasikal.
Hello.
So yeah. So the first day of shoot, what do you remember? What was your first day of shoot?
Wasn't the title track our first day of shoot?
No.
Yeah.
No. The title track we shot. No. That wasn't. That was our first day of shoot. No.
Yeah.
With Deepak Malwankar sir.
Are we this old? We don't remember.
पुरानी जब वो सन 47 जाती.
No, I remember my first day of shoot was not with you. Had started shooting 2-3 days before me.
My first day of shoot was Anil V. Kumar sir and Rakshanda ma'am and I'm in a jail costume. My sister's here, Madhu, looking so pretty. तब मैं कि कबूतर लग रहे हैं, मेरे को कौन कॉम्प्लीमेंट देगा? Anyway. So,
very pretty, very pretty.
And मेरे वैसे दाढ़ी वाड़ी लगा दी बहुत सारी, आंखों में काजल लगा दिया, वो भी जेल में. And they're like now act. And वीरू सर थे अपने DOP. तो फर्स्ट डे हमने शायद 1 मिनट शूट किया था. उसमें भी 50 सेकंड रक्षंदा मैम थे. My first day. हाँ जी भाई, वो तो मेरा पूरा पंजाबी एक्शन बाहर आ रहा है. 16 बार मना कर चुका हूँ, आप फिर भी आ गई हैं. अब आप दफा क्यों नहीं हो रही हैं? Yeah.
No, yeah, exactly, because you guys started shooting with the jail thing. तो मेरा shoot नहीं था तब. My shoot
क्योंकि तू मान नहीं रही थी शो करने के लिए. By the way, let me tell everybody. Oh, of course, you were not ready. You were not signing. You were in 2 minds, as always.
मैं बहुत बदनाम हूँ यार. Everybody just comes and says.
हाँ, वही तो बता रहा हूँ पूरी. मुझे याद है विकास था वहाँ पे और मुझे पता लग रहा था कि भैया ऐसा है कि किट्टू मान नहीं रही है और उसके ऐसे बहुत मतलब वो करना पड़ रहा है. एंड फिर बाद में जाके मैं ऐसे से मत कर, नहीं मान रही थी, बड़ी मुश्किल से मना के लाए थे.
मान तो गई थी. No, but also listen, you were locked for a very long time. ऐसे थोड़ी और Balaji's blue-eyed boy still. Oh my god. But yeah, but I was. It also came to me much later. You had another co-actor then. Yeah. So what is
awkward. नहीं तो हाँ.
No, but I still think that the first time we shot together was the title track. I think that's when we shot together. And on the show, we shot separately. You shot with Rakshanda ma'am for that scene, and I shot in Film City on that chota wala bridge with the fake snow.
Oh,
that was my
first
day.
day.
Bless you.
Man. Who was better in romantic scenes?
It's always the girl, guys.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Women make it look pretty.
नहीं मुंडे भी करते हैं, ऐसे बात नहीं है,
ठीक है.
मुंडे भी कर लेते थोड़ा बहुत. और वो पूछा भी उसने.
What is your hair situation? I want to know. What is that? Are you growing it more? I thought it was just for the show, but now it's obviously also the lockdown.
No, so because I had grown my hair because of Calcutta, and then in the middle of that I
Yeah.
had to start shooting for Delhi to hai because Calcutta ko abhi
Now it's
aage
continuity.
and now I'm stuck in continuity because I started a film also in the same hair, and so
Oh wow! Can you talk about it? Tell us.
no. Bacha.
Okay.
Chai mein chacha.
Acha. Okay. So now you're stuck with this, but it's looking nice. It's good. I see. I was
Also,
wondering that.
listen, I have like thick, like really dense,
I know.
whatever you call it, hair,
Can see.
and मैं सुबह उठता हूँ ना तो मेरे को 15 मिनट लगते हैं अपनी शक्ल बाहर निकालने में क्योंकि okay wait I'll show you. Okay, so it's gone from here. I have to like, look at this.
I don't know you're going to do hair tutorials on this live, but go on.
Look at this.
So is it standing like that?
It's too much hair. There's a lot of hair, and
Listen, please don't complain. Too much hair is good.
yeah of course
Yeah.
but वो उसके लिए ना एक बंदा रखना पड़ता है मेंटेन करने के लिए.
This is your Malayali genes.
These are my Malayali genes, yes. It comes from there. No, even my dad has good hair, but this is definitely my mom's side. And जब वो डे टू डे में बंदा होता है ना, एक जो करता रहता है सब कुछ, इसके ऊपर ये ट्रीटमेंट, वो स्पा, ये प्रोटीन, ये वो, तब तक तो ठीक रहते हैं. जब मैं खुद कर रहा होता हूँ.
But करने क्यों है? You're wearing a band. It's like that's your thing now.
वो क्या करूँ मैं? There's no.
No, it's good. I'm saying कि करने क्यों है? Why do you have to style your hair? This is the no makeup, no hair.
Listen, there are times when I like wake up and I do this and मेरे हाथ अटक जाते हैं यार.
Oh.
Yeah, and then like मैं ऐसे करके ऐसे करता हूँ, जैसे बाल होते हैं मेरे हाथ में, तो मैं परेशान हूँ, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ. हाँ, so it happened in Calcutta के लिए किट्टू को बोला गया था.
Why are you saying all this randomly? Who's asking?
So, I just remembered something.
I never talk about these things, but other people end up like amazing.
Amazed balls. चलो भाई, उन सवाल पूछो. Please do a series together. Kittu, will you do a series together?
Can we do it like this, like a quarantine series? Can you write something?
6,000 लोगों के सामने पूछ रहा हूँ. हाँ.
Can you write something? Actually, please don't write something. You don't write. But,
excuse me.
But I'm just saying.
Don't judge a book by the cover. मैं आज राती
what you're insulting. I don't know.
मैं आज राती लेके के ना I'm gonna send some
okay,
stuff.
No, I'm just saying that because right now we can't obviously shoot anything, and I have actually been thinking about this. My God, this bird is really loud.
But it's nice because Bombay में नहीं सुनने को मिलता ये सब.
I thought Bombay में आ गया. The nature is healing, earth is healing. Our birds are back. And
what is your favorite memory from KMH?
एक थोड़ी है. It's a lot.
जब पहला चेक आया था.
That was not even in my list.
मेरा तो चेक ही नहीं आया था ना.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं याद
है. मेरे तो अभी भी चेक नहीं आते हैं, तो तो लगता है कि अच्छा.
Oh.
So what's your favorite memory of KMH?
What? Which one? I have the same hat.
ये भेजी थी ना इन्होंने.
तभी है हमारे पास same.
Anyway, ये भेजी थी.
That's what I was wondering. I had the
that's
same
why.
one. But what is your favorite? I can't choose one.
There's so many memories. Yeah, I mean the most fun we had with KMH was on the outdoors. Or you know, actually no, that was Zara Nach Ke Dikha. हाँ, जब
Which outdoor did you go to for Zara Nach Ke Dikha? Where were you dancing outdoors? Tell me.
अरे we went
KMS
for the
2 was
promo, no?
outdoor.
We went for the promo. It was somewhere and it was really hot and I didn't know how to dance and
It was a horrible day, Karan. We
yeah.
drove in the night. We got there. We shot all day.
तो
I
हम
think
लोगों ने मेरी एंडेवर में पार्टी कहाँ की थी? Why do I remember?
must have been Film City.
अरे I remember Jaspreet यार. He was that Sadaji
Oh.
from the band.
Then it has to be Zara Nach Ke Dikha.
हाँ.
It was Delhi and outdoor.
I mean, not like outdoor. Our outdoor was Chandigarh.
Yeah, KMH2.
KMH2.
Yeah.
काले घुटने वाली.
Guys, KMH1, that Shimla is not Shimla. Okay, I just want to tell you if you don't know.
अरे यार, I remember they used to make me wear these thin sweaters and rash हो गए थे यार मेरे. थोड़े दिन बाद मैं ऐसे देखा कि ये क्या हो गया.
I wore mirror work.
Yes, I remember that too.
Yeah.
Mirror work. And I used to wear scarves. You remember those silk scarves?
Yes. Yes, of course.
And the
they were very
fake-
important
fake
because you used
snow.
to drop them in the scenes. And they used to fly. Yeah. Yeah. And sometimes they had to be used to be put on a puppy or something.
And I remember that puppy sequence.
Bandaged puppy. Yeah.
So I'm doing something to the puppy, and then we packed up, and then a month later, AVK sir is like, "मुझे same कुत्ता चाहिए," and they got the same kutta, and the kutta had become big.
Oh, बड़ा हो गया.
So I'm playing with the puppy and get up with a big dog.
Wow.
Next shot. Yeah.
Nice.
And what else?
What else? I think now anyway all KMH memories have like got fused with the scenes for me because I think we've seen the scenes so many times in VMs and all these things that everybody shares.
Oh my god,
तो वो सारे scenes की memory वो सब mix हो गया है.
You know, I still get stuff delivered at my house that they made with their hands, and still about KMH.
Yeah, yeah.
I was in Egypt. They've seen KMH.
Yes.
It's crazy. They think I'm Arabic.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got that too. They speak to you in the language because they see it dubbed and they think that you know the language. But
yeah. It was crazy. Lot of people have seen the show.
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, 11 years down, and it's still like we still have.
No, and it's still running on TV right now, which is also quite amazing.
Which is great. Kritika, are you married?
No, not yet.
Thank you.
What are you read also, na? What are you replying to?
Boy, hello Karan and Kritika, what's up?
Okay. This is my first drama I watched. It was the first drama that Karan did. So.
What drama?
No, KMH.
Love
from UK. Thanks, Nadia.
Sir,
we want KMH 3, guys.
Still in touch with Aditi. Audi कैसी है यार? Audi है कहाँ?
She's good. Very busy. उसकी भी quarantine life चल रही है like everybody else. She's been cooking a lot and enjoying it also. And,
Nishant is here. Zara Nach Ke Dikha promo was ND Studios and you did partied. तेरी अंग्रेजी अभी भी
Yes, thank you,
Bira. Dude, we used to have so much fun. We guys were mad. We guys were mad.
I think we partied a lot during KMH, both and Zara Nach Ke Dikha because it was in the middle.
हाँ बहुत पार्टी की है यार बहुत बेवकूफ करके थे. You remember the World Cup when we won?
Yes, on the road.
क्या कर रहा था मैं उस दिन? मुझे मारा क्यों नहीं किसी ने? चपेट क्यों नहीं मारी मुझे किसी ने?
It's okay, सब पागल थे.
Jessica is like quarantine show करोगे वो लिखें चक तू चक.
हाँ तो I think people can also participate. Why don't you suggest? But guys, please write like easy stuff that we can shoot. Because we'll have to shoot like on our own.
हाँ कर लेंगे कोई चक्कर नहीं. तू मेरे TikTok देख.
मैं नहीं कर सकती ना टिकटॉक.
अरे करवा देंगे यार, तू बहुत, तेरा हमेशा यही होता, तू पहले नया 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 करती है.
That's true. I did this with Instagram also. I was the last person to this party. I remember
Even
everybody
Twitter.
was on Instagram and everybody was active. Twitter is still, I mean, I like it. I like that platform. But even
Yeah.
Instagram, sometimes I don't know what to do.
No, but this is you. This is you for a dinner plan also. No.
That's true.
Yeah.
But I'm a little bit more decisive now. I've grown up.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm getting worse.
Kritika, you just rubbed your eye. Sorry, Sahil.
No.
You're right. I should not have. No
You can't.
touching the face and no rubbing eyes.
Thank
Yes.
you for
I'm
that.
sorry, Sahil.
Chalo. I think this
Okay.
was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and it's very difficult to keep up with the comments, to be honest. I'm trying to read and take questions or reactions, but guys, बहुत सारा है.
I know. और उससे ज्यादा तो because we haven't spoken in such a long time कि हम लोग आपस में
Yeah.
लगे रहे. But
That's true, actually. We're also talking to each other face to face or whatever. Talking, in fact,
Yeah.
after, I don't know, really
after
long.
a long time.
Yeah, the only conversation we had was live 6 p.m. tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah. Recreate a scene. Actually, I don't mind recreating a scene. That's a really great idea.
Just stay still and look into the camera for like
Yeah.
40 seconds. You recreate
Yeah,
the scene.
and pan, hold. That should be fun. I think we could work on that. That'll be a lot of fun.
So I'm already expecting that kind of art coming out of this live also.
Holy shit! I didn't even think about that. Yes.
Yeah. So.
And I'm not gonna ask about future plans or what are you gonna do after TikTok and thing after lockdown. But जाते जाते बोल दो say hi to Mannat. Hi Mannat. Hi Ishita. Hi everybody. Hi ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ऐसी थी सारे दी तो I love you a lot यार. फट्टे चकते तो सारे. Very good यार. Very good.
Okay.
चल get to one song.
Huh?
One song की तो
What?
चलगा. Recreate a dialogue. वो एक दिल के लिए नहीं, एक पल के लिए एक जिंदगी दे दी, इतनी मोहब्बत है.
दिल के लिए दुनिया.
अच्छा चल जो भी है.
दिल के लिए दुनिया.
एक दिल के लिए दुनिया. आगे बोल.
आगे. अच्छा.
आगे मैनू की पता. एक दिल के लिए दुनिया दे दी, एक पल के लिए जिंदगी, इतनी मोहब्बत है.
Yeah. Nice. Very good.
चल अब गाना गा.
मैं नहीं गा रही कोई गाना.
गा दे यार.
No, I just I think nothing. That's it. This was good fun, much needed. I'm glad
Billu's
that
crying.
we did this. Who's crying?
Yeah, this is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this was a lot of fun.
Chalo,
Thank
we'll
you
do
for...
this again. Thank you for pushing us to do this. This was
Yes.
much required, and yeah.
Stay safe,
And I'm really
everybody.
happy that so many people showed up. Thank you, guys. Big group
Thank you
hug.
so much.
Hug.
Twitter party.
Twitter party? This is Twitter party? When?
Chalo.
Chal,
Bye,
theek hai.
Kitty. Take care of
Take care,
yourself.
princess.
Stay
Take care,
safe.
everybody.
Give my love to everybody at
And
home.
yes, you too. And say hi to Arjun. I was hoping to see him actually. Just say hi to him wherever he is.
I shall. वो कहीं बैठ के गाने गा रहा होगा, but
Okay, very good. And you take care. And
bye.
don't step
See you
out.
soon. Huh?
Yes, hopefully. See you soon.